We have an event here today in Cambridge, just west of Brampton. It's a place called Monigram Coffee. I saw the reviews on Google. Had really good reviews. Nice little coffee shop. Very spacious. I had a drip coffee, and my partner had an iced latte. And the ambiance is great. Yeah, there's like warm colors. Makes you feel like at home. They have art exhibits and different like monograms located in the store. Oh, and the coffee shop also sells a lot of merchandise, promoting their shop. Yeah, it's like local coffee, the coffee beans. We got hats, sweaters. It was a little bit busy the time we went. Tasty. I'd rate it 9 out of 10. After our coffee date, we took a little stroll downtown. It's a little church they got, and the water's right there. I don't know if fishing's allowed, but try that next time. If you're looking for a little break from the busyness of Toronto, come out to Cambridge. It's a nice little quiet town, clean.